Hi, in this video I will explain how I deployed my ML ZoomCamp midterm project to PythonAnywhere.com. So my midterm project file is here, and so PythonAnywhere.com is a cloud environment, and it gives you a free 512 megabytes of free space to create any web application you want for free. So when you enter here, you have your username as the root directory, and on the left you have directories, on the right you have the files in the same directory. So your application is usually stored in something called my site, and in this my site folder I put my Flask application Python file. It's called PythonAnywhere_deploy. And there's a folder also here. In this folder I put I also created this folder called bin, and this is for binary files, and I put the dictionary vectorizer and also the scikit-learn random forest Brazilian house rank prediction model here. Okay, let's go back to here. If I had more space, I would also include the XGBoost. You can open a Bash console here by clicking this. Okay, when it opens, you can see which files are already put into the cloud environment using pip freeze command. So I look at this. Flask is already installed, and also Django. If you use Django, it's also already installed. What I needed was scikit-learn, and I saw that it was already installed here. Maybe the different version, but usually it doesn't. If you don't have any problems, it will work. So I didn't update it. So I need scikit-learn, and scikit-learn comes with NumPy. So see, NumPy is over here. I need NumPy to convert the log transformed value back to the original value. So these are the files that you need. Yeah, you need to look at these files. This predict deploy file is the file that I uploaded to this Python environment. So when you go back and you look at these files, predict_deploy. This file I uploaded, and in this file, pickle is already included in the Python package, so you don't need to install it. What's important here is when you use your local file, you have we don't have this file, this my site file. So you want to add this my site folder into here so that it can work without an error. Then you will need to save it. This is one important thing. Another important thing is when you have a file name different than so in the my site, this is a web application folder. You have a different name than app.py here. You need to come to web, and you need to come to this code section, and you need to open this vsgi configuration file. In this configuration file, you need to tell Flask vsgi application, so where is your Flask app is located. So in this case, normally it is in this case we put the name of the Python file here. So from the predict_deploy import app. So this is the variable that holds the Flask app. So we import this as application, and PythonAnywhere uses this. So you need to change this part. So VHGI needs to call it as application. So after doing this, you need to reload it, and when you reload it, it will take some time, and you can access your website. In this case, I cannot access it with the get method because it only allows post method request. So also, I don't have anything on my main website. Okay, after doing this, your application is now running on the internet, on the cloud. So in order to test it, in my project, there's a file notebook called test_deploy predict. So you come to this file and you run this file. What it does is, as you can see, the URL is the same as the one in here. So this request library will post this URL as JSON file, and we get the result, and you return the result as a JSON again. So you get the response. So this response is like a Python dictionary. So in this dictionary, there is a field called rent rf key. So this is the dictionary value that holds the rent prediction in Brazilian reals. So it shows that the result is 3,448 reals. So this is exactly how the web application is working on the cloud. So thank you for listening to me. I hope it was explanatory enough for you.